So let's consider a question like this, try 5. Usually what they do is to give you, you need to differentiate an expression, and then after that, you have to integrate it going in the reverse order. Okay, so let's do part 1 first. So d dx 4x minus 3, which is equals to d dx 4x minus 3 to the power half. We're going to use chain rule here. Bring the half down. 4x minus 3. Reduce the power by 1. Minus 1 and a minus 1, get negative half. And then don't forget, you will need to differentiate whatever's inside the brackets. So that's 4. And you will get, that's 4 over 2 square root of 4x minus 3. And then simplify this to become 2 over the square root of 4x minus 3. Okay, so we've differentiated that. Let's look at part 2. Now with part 2, you can see that what they're asking to integrate looks very similar to this, except for the multiplication of 2 here, right? So let's do this. What we need to do is we need to change this to look like that, right? So let's integrate 1 over square root 4x minus 3 with respect to x. Now, to make this look like that, I need to multiply by 2. Now, to make it the same thing, multiply by 2. And to multiply by 2, to balance it off, I need to divide by 2. Does that make sense? Okay, so this is what happens. You take the half out, and now all you have to do is to integrate 2 over square root 4x minus 3 with respect to x. And this one looks just like this, right? And you will get back half. Because of this, you'll get back the square root of 4x minus 3. Because when we differentiate this, we get this. Okay, and don't forget your arbitrary constant, right? And this should be your final answer. Another alternative answer would be putting the square root on top and then dividing by 2. This can also be another solution, right? So that's how you do a question like